Hey, it's David from Vacation Tracker here, and in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can enable accruals for any of your leave types. Now, to accrue leave essentially means that an employee is earning their days off at regularly scheduled intervals, whether that's weekly, bi-weekly, or even monthly. This is in contrast to an allotment policy in which employees are given those days upfront and can be used at any time. It's important to note that in order to use accruals, you will need to be on the complete plan. So if you're on one of the other plans we have available, you'll need to make the switch in order to use the feature. Once you've logged into your Vacation Tracker account, there are actually two different ways you can make changes to your leave policies. In the left-hand menu, if you click on Leave Setup to open up the menu further, and then on Leave Policies, you will be presented with all your leave policies across all your different locations. If you click on one of the leave policies, you'll be brought to the edit page where you can make changes. Alternatively, if you click on locations in the left-hand menu and then select the specific location in which you would like to make changes, there is a tab that is denoted leave policies, and once again, you can click on edit to make changes to it. You'll notice that around halfway down the page, there is a section appropriately labeled accruals. And by default, this is turned off. Once you click on the drop-down menu for accrual type and then select one, then additional settings will appear. You can select the current accrual period, when the next accrual date is awarded on, and you'll also see that there is a preview that lets you know when users will accrue and how often it occurs. There are also some additional settings you can choose to turn on or off. You can allow for users to request their leave in advance based on their forecasted accrual amount. You can choose to pause accruals when a user is deactivated. And lastly, you can choose to enable an accrual cap that is based on the annual rate. Once you're happy with all the settings, once you scroll all the way down and click on update, the changes will be applied to your policy. So now when a user goes to check their profile and scrolls down to their balances, they will see the amount of accrued days that they have currently earned, as well as at what interval they accrue it and when they can expect to accrue the next amount. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you want to learn more about accruals and how they work, then feel free to check out our Help Desk Center, as we have tons of articles covering this topic in much more depth. And if you run into any issues when setting up accruals on your own account, then please make sure to reach out to our support team either via chat or email.